If you are an executive who is eligible for both the O-1 visa and the L-1 visa, and you're torn between which one to do, I would highly recommend doing the L-1 visa if your employer is on board to sponsor you and petition for you, and also the company has a strong profile. And here's why. It's pretty straightforward to meet the L-1 visa requirements, and 75% of the burden really does fall on the employer to show how they meet all the requirements. And 25% of the burden falls on you to show how you meet the definition of an executive according to USCIS's definition of an executive, and it's not too difficult to do that. But if you're applying for an O-1 visa, the same achievements that you have and experience that you can establish for the to show that you're an executive for the L-1 doesn't immediately translate over to showing that you are extraordinary and meeting the definition of extraordinary ability for an O-1 visa. So unless you have a very strong profile that shows that you are extraordinary in your field compared to your peers with the same level of experience and expertise, I would recommend doing the L1 because it's just a lot more straightforward and a lot easier to meet the requirements than it is for an O1, even if it means that you have to rely on your employer to petition for you and do the bulk of the work.